Hey guys, in this video, I'm going to show you how to log into your TikTok account if you forgot your password. So first we want to open up TikTok and then we need to click on already have an account, login. Next, we need to select the use phone email username option. Then I'm going to select the email/username and I'm going to click on where it says forgot password. And it gives us the option to reset our password with either our phone number or our email. I'm going to choose email for this option. Then we need to go ahead and enter in our email. The email that we get is going to look something like this. We just need to copy down this code. Once we have entered in the code into the app, all we have to do is set a brand new password to log in. Once we have done so, let's go ahead and click on the login button. And now we are logged back into our TikTok account. So I hope this video helped you guys out. If it did, please leave a like. But that's going to do it for this video. Thanks so much for watching, and I hope this helped you out.